They didn't have much at all for teeth even a week ago, but they're breaking through now.
I think she wants some water. She just can't quite reach it. It's just a little bit too low. Bring out some of that rotten veggies.
Oh. Of course, I bring out my camera and she jumps down. Come on. Come on. We're learning to stand on the milking table and be happy about it. Hi. Precious. Precious. Hi. Come say hi. Yes. Yes. Precious Italo Jewl. Mickey XOXO. Mama has her appetite. So here, what is it? Close to 2 weeks since they were born premature. And they were probably nearly 2 weeks premature. So, oh, you grabbing my shirt? Yeah. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? She's nervous about the dog behind me, though.
Her bowed tendons aren't so bowed anymore. Hey, Baxter, in the truck. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Oh, we're going to be a tree climber. And we're drinking water on our own.
Don't worry, Mama Goat. I got rid of it.
You want some? Want to try it? Want to try it? Oh, we'll try it. Yep. Dog's in. Mama's back. What about Mickey? Precious is biting me. No, you can't bite. All right, I'll put it in your dish. Expensive pig food, and you guys want to be grass-fed pigs. The other great thing I love about pigs is that they poop along the edge of their pen if the space is big enough. So it just makes it easier to clean the rest of the pen. It doesn't have to be a pigsty. Give them a waller right here in the center, and I'm trying to fill up their water bucket, but I got this much larger size water tank, and it does not fill from very low on a hill like my old one would still fill. And once the water level gets to here, it quits. So I'm gonna have to figure out something to kind of put some stuff underneath of it and push it forward a little ways. It came with some cracks in it, but heck, we can seal those up, and for $50, where usually you pay quite a bit more. Let's see, this is a 150, 200 gallon buckets. So usually you would pay $150, $200 for this. $50 was great. You guys gonna blow some more bubbles for me? We're gonna grab the hose.